All right, now we do part B. It gave us those sets A and B. Okay, I'm not going to waste time writing. Or I can do that to say A is equal to OM, which are integers. A is the M values, right? So we'll write it neatly. A is OM values, which are integers. So these M values are going to be integers. And they meet the equation M is equal to 2A. They come from this equation. That's how you find them. Okay? For some integer A. For some integer A. Right? Then we can say that B is going to be equal to ON values, which are also integers, which meet the equation N is equal to 2B minus 2 for some integer B. For some integer B, right? Now here the question says, part I, okay? Part I says, list 3 elements of the set B. Part I says, list 3 elements of the set B. So the set B is N values, which are from this equation, N is equal to 2B. So if I want the elements of B, it's all about what are they called? They are called N value. They are called N's. So if I can find 3 N's, I have 3 elements of B because the elements of B are N's. So this would be, I'll find N 3 times. So N is equal to 2B minus 2 for some integer B. So if I can get an integer B and put it in this equation, the value which I'll get as N is going to be part of my set. So I'll say, choose any integer. I'll say let B be equal to minus 1. That would mean, that's an integer, right? N will be equal to 2 times minus 1 minus 2, which is N is equal, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, then minus 2. You can punch in the calculator at this stage because you should never make a mistake on this. This would give you negative 4. Don't make a mistake here, please. Then you can also now say let B be equal to 0. Okay, minus 1, 0, and 1. Those are the 3. I like to pick 3 values which are in a sequence that are in order going up so that I can list them easier. So I would say now N will be equal to 2 by 0, then minus 2. N will be equal to 2 by 0 is 0, then minus 2, you just get minus 2. Then I'll now say let B be equal to 1. N will be equal to 2 by, where there is B, we are putting 1. So it will be N is 2 by 1, then minus 2. What is 2 by 1? It is 2 minus 2, it's 0. So N will be equal to 0. So I can list that set B to say B is equal to, now I'm listing, using listing notation, it's equal to dot, 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 ellipsis points, which means it keeps going on. Then you say comma, then what is it? For minus 1, it was minus 4. Then for 0, it was minus 2. Then for 1, it was 0. Then you keep going, dot, 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 ellipsis points, which means you keep going. And here we've listed 3 elements. Okay, prove that, here part 2 says, prove that A is a subset of B. We have been here before. I hope you remember. So say if A is a subset of B, if A is a subset of B, then the guys in A should be also in B. Which means, what are the guys in A called? The guys in A are called M. So we say M is an element of B. It will mean M is an element of B. If A is a subset of B, it means every M, all values, all M values are elements of B. Now, that is because the M values are the set A. Because if you say A is a subset of B, it means everything in A is also in B. And the things in A are called M. If it is also in B, it means it is an element of B. And that means that M would be equal to Y, because to N rather, because the elements of B, the things that are in B are all called N. So if it's an element of B, that means it is an N, because N is the name given to the elements of B. So now, what would we do now? So that means M would be equal to N. And what is the M? So you say now 2A will be equal to 2B minus 2, because M is equal to N, right? Then you choose a value. You say let A be equal to some integer, 0. Then you'd now say 2 by 0 is equal to 2B minus 2. 2 by 0 is 0, is equal to 2B minus 2. Minus 2 goes to the other side. You get it as 2 is equal to 2B. Then what would you do? You can say divide both sides by 2. That's up to you. If you want to do, say that, So you say divide both sides by 2. Here they cancel into 1 and 1. So 1 will be equal to b. Okay, I like to say that if you now take 2 to the other side, it was a minus, it becomes a positive 2. It is equal to 2b. Then you take this 2 to the other side. You say 2 over 2 is equal to b. Because it was multiplying, goes to the left, it will divide. 2 into 2, 1 into 1. So 1 will be equal to b. Which is also, you can say that 1 is an integer. So therefore, it means that a is truly a subset of b. So you can say since 1 is, you can have your 1 as b. So you can say since 1 is an element of the integers, it means that a is truly a subset of b, because this remains correct. Okay? And that's it. Goodbye.